Hello guys, and welcome to this video. Today in this quick video I will show with you how to log in Accenture Workday account online. Go guys, your device, web browser and laptop or desktop, all the top right corner of the screen, add your email address, Gmail or Hotmail or Yahoo, and after that log in with your password and other. Tap your Gmail website and verify your account by clicking on the link shown here, and after adding your email or password, click sign in. It will sign in your account, and you can also save the password for your account. After that will come you on the website and the dashboard of website. I hope guys this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video for more content. See you another video soon. Keep watching. Thanks again.